Okay, got a misfire on a scissor lift. Yeah, skyjack. It's a 3-cylinder Kubota engine. I pulled out 2 spark plugs. Yeah, they're not doing so hot. But this one is the main issue. I put tape on it to help it from stop arcing, but it was arcing pretty bad, and this was the cylinder that was misfiring. It's been running on 3 cylinders. Finally got parts in. Pretty easy. Yeah, so to get this whole, like, to get the boots and the wires and the coil come separately. You can order just the boots. They're NG case. Yeah, but to get the wire, you have to get the coil as well. I got new coils, but I don't think I'm gonna use them. I think I'm gonna return them. But yeah, I'm pretty much just gonna change this one out, put a new spark plug in, and yeah, but they're pretty easy. Pretty much they untwist. You can see that they just twist on and twist off. Yeah, like basic. Hold on, let me pull this back and I'll get back to you guys. I loosened it, but hold on, I only got one hand, but it twists off. You just, yeah, twist it off, boom. But yeah, right, you can see that it's cracked or broken off, but it was arcing pretty bad. And yeah, it's real easy to put on. It comes with the new one, so basically you slide the new one on, kind of slide it back, because trying to put the boot on, or yeah, this thing grips it, so you know, slide it all the way back, twist it on, and then put it over it. And then this one just, gosh, hang on, right here. These are the ends. They just slide out. Yeah, pretty much. They just slide on. Yeah, so let me change the spark plug. I'll pull it out and I'll show you guys. Sit tight. Okay, I've got the spark plug out. You can tell that it was kind of arcing in this area. Yeah. Yeah, these are 3 spark plugs. I don't know why they're rusted, but yeah, it's a good thing that I'm changing them out, because they were causing issues. So yeah, pretty much just put this one on first, slide it back as far as you need to, and then twist it on and then slide it over. But yeah, well, I'm gonna put it back together and I'll show you guys how it looks. Okay, we got it all back together. Pretty much when you plug it back in, make sure to click in. That one wasn't in all the way. And then when you put it back on, make sure it doesn't mess with the throttle linkage. But yeah, everything's put back together. Make sure they're not like resting on each other, because that can cause issues too. If it's doing that, it needs new spark plug wires. It should start up right now. It should start up. So here we go. Oh, you cheap bastard. It has fuel. It takes a second. Here we go. Here we go. It's gonna start. Give it a sec. Okay, there we go. It sounds way better. They call it a skyjack or a scissor lift, or the name of it is a skyjack, but it's a scissor lift. Yeah, they're pretty easy to work on, but they're difficult if you don't know what you're doing. Like, 'cause this whole thing is run on relays, and that can become a nightmare. But once you figure out what all that shit does, it's pretty easy. Yeah, just gonna let it run, let it idle. Try to move it, because before when we tried to move it, it would keep dying out, and there was a misfire on it. I seem to have fixed it because it sounds really good now. It doesn't sound like it's like running like shit. Yeah, I'm just gonna let it idle for a little bit, let it warm up, and then try to move it and see how it runs. But when I first came out here, had dead battery, got a new battery, tried to start it, would not run for shit. Kind of got some fuel into the engine, started running a little bit, but I came to the conclusion that the fuel pump was bad. So I got a new fuel pump, put it on, got it running actually, and then I found out that I had the misfire. So yeah, so every time I fix one thing, another thing was wrong with it. So yeah, but yeah, hopefully I got it all sorted out. I'm gonna try to start posting more videos again. Try to just get on top of my shit. You know, it's just been really busy, but you know, try not to make any more excuses and just start posting kind of regularly or as much as I can, because there's a lot of stuff that I've been doing. It's been real hectic, but I'm gonna try to stay on top of it. Got a new work truck. It's been about a year since I had it, but yeah, that's like the only update that I really got. Still doing the same job, still working with the same company. Got like one new tool. That was about it. Yeah, still got my office. I'm never there though. Yeah. Alright, so yeah. Thanks for watching. Sit tight for the next video. Alright, you guys have a good one.